Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to blur pictures and photos in Canva. Basically, when you upload your photo like so, you choose this, click on it, and you can see here edit a photo. So you want to click on that, and now you will see a lot of options. This is the Canva new version, so it may look a little bit different for you, but here you can adjust some of the things here, but to blur it, here are some effects. And as you can see, there's a blur effect. Now there's a whole image, so you can just make intensity like so and blur the whole image. This is one way. If you don't like it, you can also remove the blur. Now, if you want to blur only, for example, background, you're going to click on brush right here. And you can actually add blur by selecting brush size, as you can see, and by selecting intensity. And now when you draw it like so, as you can see, the image is now blurred, and you can do this detailed one. Now let's remove the blur. There's also a way, for example, if you want to make your job easier, you can actually make a copy of this and, for example, blur, remove the background for this image. Let's do that. As you can see, now you want to add the whole intensity here. So let's again blur the whole image like so. And now let's put that second image on top. And now, as you can see, only the background is blurred. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.